Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your grammar class. This is day 2 of your chapter 14, Simple Future Tense. As you know better, we have discussed yesterday the first two tenses about future tense, that is simple future tense and future continuous tense. Today we will discuss about the remaining part of the chapter. Let's start with future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is referred to an action that will happen before another action in the future. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में हम उन एक्शंस को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं जो कि फ्यूचर में होने वाले हैं किसी दूसरे एक्शन के हैपन होने से पहले. द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर विल बी सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल बी गोइंग टू प्लस हैव प्लस वर्ब इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. As you can see at the screen, there are two events in the future, but since future perfect is an action which will happen before another action in the future, then we refer to this one. Means future में दो actions होते हैं. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस उस एक्शन को डिनोट करता है जो किसी दूसरे एक्शन के होने पर ही वो हैपन होगा. Look at the examples to understand it in a better way. By the time I'm 30 years old, I will have traveled to Europe. Now, there are two future events in this sentence. The first one is I will travel to Europe. This is past perfect tense sentence. Okay. Another action is by the time I am 30 years old. वो भी एक action है that will be happen in the future. But उस एक्शन के कंप्लीट होने पर जो एक्शन होता है जो एक्शन हैपन होता है दैट विल कॉल्ड एज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. लाइक बाय द टाइम आई एम 30 ईयर ओल्ड, जब मैं 30 ईयर्स का हो जाऊंगा या हो जाऊंगी देन आई विल ट्रेवल टू यूरोप, तब मैं यूरोप जाऊंगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज negative sentences. If we form negative sentence, then the sentence structure will be subject plus will not or won't plus have plus verb in past participle. For example, his father will not have come home before the graduates. I am going to have finished this test before 10 a.m. Okay. Now in question form, will be come at the first place, then subject, then have, then verb in past participle. For example, will his father have come home before she graduates? Or am I going to have finished this test before 10 a.m.? Now, WH type questions. The sentence structure will be WH word plus will or shall plus subject plus have plus verb in third form plus other words plus question mark. Then the example is here. What will they have done by now? In this sentence, we used what? At the first place, then will, then subject, then have, then do, did, done, do की third form plus by now. These are the other words. Now next is interrogative negative sentence. Sentence should be in negative form as well as in interrogative form. The sentence structure will be will or shall plus subject plus not plus have plus verb, third form plus other words. For example, shall I not return a letter before morning? Now, where it is used, future perfect tense को हम कहाँ use करते हैं? To make a prediction or to state something that is certain to happen. जब हम कुछ predict करते हैं या कुछ ऐसा जो कि फ्यूचर में होना सर्टेन है, उस एक्शन में सर्टेनिटी है, then we use future perfect tense. For example, the shops will close early today. It's a predictable, no? Or it's a state that is certain to happen. Next is to make a promise. Then we use future perfect tense. जब कोई promise की बात आती है. For example, I shall help you in your project. It's a promise, no? Next is future perfect progressive tense. Means future perfect continuous tense. It is used to show that an action will continue up until certain period of time or event in the future. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस को हम यूज करते हैं उस एक्शन को डिनोट करने के लिए जो कि एक सर्टेन पीरियड तक फ्यूचर में होता रहेगा. ओके. द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर विल बी सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल प्लस हैव बीन प्लस वर्ब इन प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. और इफ वी यूज बी गोइंग टू, देन द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर विल बी subject plus be going to plus have been plus verb in present participle. For example, I will have been studying college by the time mom allows me to see boys. Or I'm going to have been studying college by the time mom allows me to see boys. Next is in negative sentences. We have to add not here. Subject plus will not plus have been plus verb in present participle. Okay. For example, I will not have been studying college by the time mom allows me to see boys. Next is interrogative. Oh, just before it, we can use it am is are. Okay. Then not, then going to, then have been, then verb in present participle. I'm going to have been studying college by the time and so on. Next is question form. Will, then subject, then have been, then verb in present participle will be at the first place of the sentence. Will I have been studying college by the time mom allows me to see boy, or will your dog has been dying of the hunger by the time? Next is am are. If we follow this pattern, then the sentence structure will be is am are plus subject plus going to plus have been plus verb in present participle. Okay. Next is WH type questions. WH word, what, who, when, where. Okay. Plus will or shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form plus ing plus other words. For examples, what will they have been doing for 5 days? Whereas interrogative negative sentences, the sentence structure will be will or shall plus subject, then not, then have been, then verb space form plus ing plus other words. For example, shall I not have been sleeping for 7 hours by next morning? Okay, students, it's all about your chapter. Look at the part L. You have to change into negative form. They will have practiced well before the match start. They will not have practiced well before the match start. She will have gone to Delhi before next Sunday comes. She will not have gone to Delhi before next Sunday comes. In part N, you have to frame क्वेश्चंस है आंसर आपको दिए गए हैं आपको क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करने हैं द आंसर इज आई शैल हैव फिनिश्ड द प्रोजेक्ट बाय टुमारो मॉर्निंग द क्वेश्चन विल बी व्हाट शैल आई हैव फिनिश्ड बाय टुमारो मॉर्निंग नेक्स्ट इज yes I shall have finished the project by tomorrow morning the question will be shall I have finished the project by tomorrow morning in part O you have to change the sentences into interrogative negative my mother will have cooked lunch by the time he comes back home won't my mother have cooked lunch by the time he comes home back home? Next is the tutor will have taught us English for a year by next week. Won't the tutor have taught us English for a year by the next week? In part P, you have to fill up the blanks with future perfect continuous tense for the verbs given. Okay. The children dash pictures for 2 periods. The children will have been drawing. He dashed the game of chess for 2 hours. He will have been playing. She dashed this topic since 9 o'clock. She will have been discussing. Next is part R. You have to change into interrogative negatives. Rinky will have been traveling the whole day starting from 8 a.m. Will Rinky have been traveling the whole day starting from 8 a.m.? Mona will have been sleeping or helping him since morning. Will Mona have been helping him since morning? In part D, you have to change the following into interrogative negative sentences. The first sentence is, they will have been living in Moscow for 8 years by April 2016. Won't they have been living in Moscow for 8 years by April 2016. Next is, the baby will have been sleeping for 2 hours when the mother comes. Won't the baby have been sleeping for 2 hours when the mother comes? Okay, students, it's all about your chapter. It's your homework time. You have to do remaining parts of L, N, O, P, R, T on given page numbers 121, 23, 24, 25, 27 and 28 in your grammar book very neatly. I hope you get it very clearly. Thank you. Have a great day.